What's up, everybody? Paul with ProShop here. When I say scheduling and on-time delivery, does that give you a pit in your stomach? Do you get stressed? Is that a stress response? You get the butterflies? I know for so many shops that is absolutely the case. Scheduling a job shop, a precision manufacturing company, a machine shop, a contract manufacturer is one of the most challenging things to do. It is such an incredibly dynamic environment that it's just really hard. You're not alone. When you're late, this damages your customer's relationship. They don't trust you as much. It stresses your employees out. It's a financial impact to you because you're paying expedite fees and doing all these crazy gyrations to try to get back on time or be as not as late as possible. And clients, I tell you, will pay a premium for shops that are on time the majority of the time. They will pay more money for the same parts. So in this blog post below, we talk about 5 reasons that job shops are late. So I'll quickly name those out. Number 1, over-promising unintentionally. They don't realize that they can't provide a 4 or 6 week lead time because they don't realize how overloaded their machines are. So just doing it because they didn't realize. Number 2, missing details on an estimate. Maybe you didn't realize there was a 14-day outside process that you didn't look into that carefully. So you kind of shot yourself in the foot starting on day 1. Lack of communication and planning is the 3rd one. When you don't communicate right at the beginning of things that are critical to kick off, maybe it's a long lead time cutting tool or material or a special thread gauge that isn't off the shelf. Those kinds of things have to get started right away. Number 4, inaccurate target times. If you don't know how long each part is taking because the information hasn't been updated or the setup times or whatever, it's going to be really hard to predict when jobs are coming off the machines and when you need to do other things to stay on time. And number 5 would be shop floor visibility. If you have employees working off of paper packets, paper job travelers, possibly obsolete information about when things are due or where they need to go next, it's very hard to prioritize, or heaven forbid you lose a job traveler entirely and people don't even know they're supposed to be working on that job at all. So in this blog post, we talk about these 5 things. ProShop can dramatically help with those. We typically see, on average, when we talk to clients and poll them after they've gone live, a 25% improvement or higher on their on-time delivery performance. In fact, in one recent webinar we did, which will be linked in the blog, we had a client go from about 50 to 60% on time, spending 8 hours a day trying for a scheduling person to try to make that happen, to 95+% on time for a year, an entire year plus, spending less than 1 hour a day to make that happen. Just a night and day difference. Imagine if your customers could reliably count on you for 95% on-time delivery and your employees weren't stressed around all day, run around like chickens with their head cut off. It would be huge. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this blog. Please leave any comments if you want to learn more or want to debate the importance of job shop scheduling. So thanks again for watching and reading, and we'll see you on the next video.